So what this program is aiming to do is we're going to get a chance to help you bring the technology and innovation that CDK Global has to be able to explain it to anyone. And we're going to do that by reporting hands-on experiments that will ultimately help benefit the community around you.
You wake up and try and learn something new. Stay curious about life, and the creativity that our interns have really delivered for us the last few months has been amazing.
Communication skills, how to simplify a great overall topic into something easy that's a hard thing to do.
Better teamwork. When we were coming up with our idea, we were just spitballing, just trying to brainstorm and come up with as many ideas as possible, and it really helped to develop kind of our team dynamic and how we talk to each other and how we value each other's ideas, and communication through and through really improved through this program.
I could see it clicking with all the other interns. So at first they didn't really know what direction they were going with the experiment, but it was almost like inspiration just kind of hit them.
I also learned some cool new robotics. We made a laser turret, so that was really cool to see something get created in front of your own eyes.
So anything from project management to video editing.
Communicating to different audiences.
I kind of learned from my peers as I went on.
How to collaborate with different thinking styles.
Working with teammates and coordinating and assigning tasks to everyone.
Once you kind of come together with a group and present these different ways of thinking about things, not only do you start to come on some of the better ideas, but it builds on each other.
So I feel like it's very important to be able to connect these science topics and these math topics that we learn in the classroom towards experiments that are very fun in order to show like the true importance of STEM and how fun it could be as a subject.
We want to have more women in this field, in the automotive industry. We want to have more women in motorsports. We want to inspire girls to do something that we enjoy doing and to change the field.
Hands-on learning is so important, especially for a younger generation, because it really allows people to fully understand concepts. And when you're breaking down these large and complex topics like are often found in STEM, I feel like giving people this hands-on experience helps them to really fully understand it so they can build a solid foundation. And when they're ready to progress to the next level, the next layer of complexity, they're ready because they fully understand where they're coming from.
When people say, it's not for me, I say, I did think the same thing, but you can change your mind the moment you understand what it is.
The idea that I could contribute to helping the next group of people join this force of STEM and feel empowered to do so was really special to me. Obviously, getting access to this program at all and this partnership was something so special and unique, and I think it's absolutely important for a company to show that everything that we've learned as individuals and on a corporate level is ready to give back to the community, and we're ready to pay it forward.
It really helped me do other things. It helped me look at different parts of CDK and get involved with all these different projects. So I'm really glad that CDK got me this opportunity. It was really cool.
Right now, I'm proud to say that they are actually doing something to help younger generations.
Exciting.
Collaboration.
Fun.
Values.
Learning experience.
Unifying.
Growth.
Empowering.
Innovative.
Creativity is definitely one.
Inspirational.
Inspirational.
Inspiring.
Inspiring.
And inclusive.
Thank you for hosting such an awesome program.
Thank you guys for having our group on and for supporting us through it. It was seriously an amazing experience.